Ako.
What's up to my dad, guys? Shout out, Dad. Like and subscribe to our video. I told you last time that I will post a video with my family. Over there's my mom. My baby sister's right there. I always make vlog on him.
This is my mommy.
I always make vlog with him. My baby sister,
Where's your
Akisha.
mommy?
Do you want me to bring back the character, guys, I made on YouTube? Do you miss the character? The only way to cure him is like and subscribe.
So yeah, that's mama English.
And now I will show you my pets. First, Mr. Deer. First, Mr. Bear. First, Mr. Shark. He's the bad guy. First, my favorite one. The first one who's made. Mr. Ice Cream. Done with that. Ice Cream Twins. Mr. Fish Guy. He got a... I think them twins on that yellow one. I think his name is Pink Bear. Do you know? I watch tips, guys. Next time I will cure the character. I will kill them and climb to the mountain. Dad, are we gonna climb to the mountain?
Yeah.
Let's to save him. That's the